Hi students, I hope you all safe and healthy with your family and friends. This video we are going to learn about 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 1, Accounts from Incomplete Records. Exercise sum number 4. Listen the question carefully. From the following details, calculate the capital as on 31st December 2018. The information is given below. Let's read. Capital as on 1st January 2018, 1 lakh rupees. Goods withdrawn for personal use by owners 30,000 rupees. Additional capital introduced during the year 15,000. Profit for the year 60,000 rupees. What they ask, what the value we required. Calculate the capital as on 31st December 2018. Listen here carefully. What are the 4 information we need to find out the profit and loss? Under the statement of affairs, we needed 4 information. What are they? Opening capital, closing capital, additional capital, and drawings. Okay. So here, what is the items missed here? Closing capital value. We are going to require to find out the closing capital. Okay. So opening capital is given. How can you say? Capital as on 1st January 2018 means opening capital. Goods withdrawn for personal use by owner, which means goods withdrawn personal use. Underline the personal use means a drawing. Okay, so drawing given, opening capital given, additional capital given, and profit for the year also given here 60,000 rupees. We are going to find out closing capital. Listen. So what we have to do? As per the format, first we have to enter the items. Okay. So what are the items we need to enter as per the statement of affairs to calculate profit and loss account? Closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, adjusted closing capital, less opening capital. Okay. And profit for the year they given in the question. Okay. As per the format, we written all the items here. So accordingly, what are the informations given here? What are the amount given here? We need to enter. Listen. Profit for the year. We are going to, which method we are going to follow for the 4th exercise sum number 4? Upward direction. Upward method. We need to follow upward direction. Why? Because we require closing capital. So we require closing capital only. We following the upward method. So what we do? We are going to enter profit for the year. How much rupees? 60,000 rupees entered. Then opening capital value 1 lakh rupees given in the question entered in the amount column. We don't know the adjusted capital value. So leave the space in the amount column against the adjusted closing capital value. Then additional capital introduced during the year 15,000 given the question we entered. We don't know the value. Then drawings value they given in the question 30,000 rupees entered. So as per the format, according to the format, we enter the items related to the values what they given in the question. We entered properly. What we have to do now? We are going to follow the upward method. Okay. To find out what? To find out closing capital. Okay. So upward method means profit for the year 60,000 rupees. So as per the format, what we do? Opening capital. With opening capital, we subtracted as per the format. But in upward method, we are going to follow in reverse. In reverse. So in reverse means instead of subtraction, we have to add the opening capital with the profit value 60,000 rupees. So for that 1 lakh plus 60,000 rupees, 1 lakh 60,000 rupees entered. So we got adjusted closing capital value 1 lakh 60,000 rupees. How you got? We have added with the opening capital with the profit value. Together you get 1 lakh 60,000 rupees. In what method? Which method? In upward method. In reverse order. Okay. With 1 lakh 60,000 rupees, we already have additional capital value is 15,000 rupees. Okay. What we do in additional capital? As usual, we subtracted the additional capital. But in upward method, instead of subtraction, we are going to add the additional capital with the adjusted closing capital value. Okay. So 1,60,000 rupees plus 15,000, you get 1,75,000 rupees. Okay. So in 1,75,000 rupees, we have to subtracted the drawing values 30,000 rupees in reverse order because we are following the upward direction to find out the closing capital value. So 1,75,000 rupees minus 30,000, difference between you got 1,45,000 rupees. Okay, so 1,45,000 rupees is the balancing figure. So the required value of the closing capital is 1,45,000 we calculated. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it in the comment box. Come to the fifth question. Fixed exercise sum number 5. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Let's read the information. Capital as on 1st April 2018, 40,000 rupees. Capital as on 31st March 2019 is 50,000 rupees. Additional capital introduced during the year 7,000. Profit for the year 8,000. Drawing during the year is missing value. So, what are the informations we require to find out the profit and loss? Opening capital, closing capital, drawing additional capital. So, here what they given? Opening capital, closing capital, additional capital and profit of the year. Instead of profit of year, which value they didn't given? Which value we required? We required drawings. Okay. So, profit of the year they have given the question. So, what we have to do? As per the statement of affairs, to find out the profit and loss, as per the format, we have to enter the items accordingly. What are the amount they have given with that item? We are going to enter into the amount column. Okay. So, as per that, the heading is statement of profit or loss for the year ending 31st March 2019, particular rupees. Closing capital 31st 3 2019, 50,000 rupees they given, and added drawings value we don't know. This is the balancing figure we are required to find out, which we are going to find out drawings. Okay. So, leave the space. We have to enter the item as per the format. Add drawings. Then leave the space and less additional capital introduced. How much rupees? 7,000 rupees entered. Adjusted closing capital value we don't know. Leave the space and less opening capital 1/1/2018. Amount is 40,000 rupees entered. Profit for the year ending 8,000 rupees entered. So, what are the amount we entered from the question? 8,000, 40,000, 7,000, 50,000. Okay. From the question we entered. So, which method we are going to follow to find out the drawings? Upward direction method. Okay. So, upward direction method means in reverse order we follow the sum. Profit for the year how much rupees? 8,000 rupees. With the profit, opening capital as usual as per the format we subtracted the opening capital. But in upward direction we use the upward method only. Instead of subtraction we are going to add the opening capital with the profit value. So 8,000 plus 40,000 you got 48,000. 48,000 means this is called adjusted closing capital value is 48,000. Got it? Then 7,000 they given the question additional capital introduced during the year. So listen here carefully. As per the format we subtracted the additional capital. But here we following the upward direction method only. We have in reverse order we have to add the additional capital 7,000 with 48,000. Added together you got 55,000 rupees. Okay. So 58,000 rupees we got. Then we know the closing capital value 50,000 rupees. The difference between the 50,000 rupees and 55,000 rupees, you got 5,000 rupees. Okay, so that 5,000 rupees is the missing value. That 5,000 rupees is the balancing figure. That 5,000 rupees is the drawing during the year. Got it? Do you know? Any doubt? Please comment into the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.